Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering and preparing the JBL Wave Flex. Charge the case and earbuds to full. This prevents mid-setup dropouts. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the devices within 1.5 meters. Open the case and remove the earbuds. They enter pairing mode automatically, indicated by an LED flash or tone. You want immediate connection, so stay attentive. This reduces, retries, and speeds the process toward the next configuration step. You now pair and configure the Wave Flex. Tap JBL Wave Flex in your phone's Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompts. This establishes the audio link. Next, install the JBL app to access firmware updates, EQ presets, and touch controls. Grant permissions so features work. If a firmware update appears, apply it. Place earbuds in the case, keep the case open, and stay near your phone. Updating ensures stability and fixes connectivity or audio issues before regular use. You finish by verifying functionality and tweaking settings for daily use. Play music and make a test call to check audio, microphone clarity, and touch control responses. Adjust EQ or noise settings for comfort. Make sure mono versus stereo behavior matches your needs and personalize touch actions in the app. If something goes wrong, reset the earbuds. Hold both touch areas or the case button for 10 seconds to factory reset, then repeat pairing. This often resolves stubborn connection or audio glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.